All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at using some of the features of the new Google Sites. We're going to look at how to add text, images, and new pages. So once you've already created your site, you can click up here to give your site a title. I'm going to call it Sample Site. And the cool thing is now, unlike the old Google Sites, new sites can be all accessed as a file through Google Drive. So you don't actually have to go to Google Sites to find it. You can save it in your drive and put it in folders however you like. So just by typing right here, so by default, what the banner is going to look like on your homepage. You can change the image. You can put your own background image here. It's kind of cool. Take a look at that in a second. You can make the header. You can make it a large banner. You can make it regular size banner, the default, or you can just do the title. So we're going to go with the large banner here. So we're going to start messing around with the text box. So to add simple text to your site, you click right here on your toolbar. On the Insert tab, you have 3 tabs here: Insert, Pages, and Themes. Insert is when you add your content. Pages is when you add new pages and you manage the navigation, and themes you can manage the layout and the look of it. We're just going to use the simple theme right now. I'm going to go back to Insert, and we're going to play around with the text box. So this is the test, and I can change four different sizes: title size, heading a little bit smaller, subheading maybe a little bit smaller. I can do justification, center, left, right. I can turn any text that I put here into a link, like copying and pasting. So we'll go ahead and try that right here. I'm going to highlight this text here. I want to make this a link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new tab here. I'm just going to pull up a news article here real quick. And we'll link that text to this article. So we'll just, here we go. Take this article here. It's got to go ahead and copy the URL. Let's see. Oops, there we go. Copy. And then paste it right here. Hit apply. Now, this text here becomes a link to that website. Okay. So that's pretty much just the gist of adding text. Cool thing is about whatever you add on your site can be moved around. We'll demonstrate that in a second. Next, we're going to take a look at images. Now, you can pull images from your Google account. Clicking images here. So I click on Google Drive. So if I want to put this picture on there it is. I can resize it. And I can even move it wherever I want. I don't think it looks good there, so I'm going to move it right here. I can move it off to the side right there. So you can just drag and drop text. Anything you add there can be drag and drop, resized, and you can arrange it however you like. So that's one way to do it from your Google Drive. Another way is if I'm going to do a picture here.
There are more than 1 million more Puerto Ricans who live on the U.S. mainland than live on the island of Puerto Rico.
All right, so if I want to take one of these pictures here from the internet, the other way to do it is by the image URL. So if I want this picture here, I'm going to right click on the image. I'm going to copy image address. And I'm going to go here, go back. By URL, I'll paste that URL here. And once you see if you see the actual picture show up here, that means it's a good link. If not, you may have to recopy or find one that's not protected. And again, it adds right in. I can move it around. I can put, oops, too far. I'll put it right there. So I can add it to the text there. It's kind of cool. Now the other way to do it, I can upload an image straight from my computer by clicking upload. So here's an image that I have on my computer. And again, I can move it anywhere I like. I can resize it if I want to put it somewhere else. I'm going to put it down here. Click on it. I can easily resize. There we go. Oops, a little more. Click here to center it again. There we go. So it's really easy to add images. So next thing we're going to show is I'm going to find your soccer ball GIF. This is really cool. A GIF is it's an animation. It's pretty cool. So you notice how it's moving. What I'm going to do the copy image address. This is a really cool way to customize your header up here. So I'm going to change image. I'm going to go to select image by URL and paste it. So it's going to add that GIF to my background. Really cool way to customize it. Again, if I want, I can also, Google has a gallery of different themes that you can put as your banner. You can search Google from right here. You can, if you have albums saved in your Google account or Google Drive, if you have pictures, you can also add those to your banner image. So that's a real trick I learned not too long ago to really kind of customize the feel of my website. So last thing we're taking a look at is how to create a new page. By default, this is the home page. And if I click pages and I click the add page button, call it new page. I'll add another page to my website. And you see the navigation here across the top. Cool thing is I can create another page here. And you can drag and drop your navigation, so they're going to come in order however you put them across the top. If I want to put this one up here, I can move it around, or I could even, if I drag it right up to it, and you see that little blue line right there, now it becomes nested underneath. So now it has a drop-down menu, so you can really customize the organization of your pages. So in this video, we looked at inserting content into your site using the text box, using images, uploading them. Anything that you get from Google Drive, you have in your Drive, can be put onto your page. For example, so I can find any document that I have there. So if I want to put, let's say this is a PDF for this new account that I'm working with today, you can insert it. It can be a Google Doc, it can be a slideshow, whatever you need, and I can resize it, and then people can view it on the site. So you can get real specific here on which kind of things that you create in your Drive. You can add a map, you can add your calendar, embed YouTube videos, a variety of things. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, send me an email or a message on Google Hangouts.